I've got this whole area next to my tumbler, and honestly, I think it was a dumping ground for when the house was built, because I have nothing but rock and debris all throughout here. But over the years, I've dumped food scraps and debris here, and I have a good amount of buildup for the compost. But it's chunked, it's new stuff, it's old stuff. I need to sort this out and get it shifted. I'm building 2 shifters for the job. One that's 11 by 16 and the other one is 22 by 26 inches. 1/2 inch mesh for the bigger shifter and 1/4 inch mesh for the smaller one. I kept it simple. Scrap wood, mesh from Home Depot, which was about 14 bucks a roll. I had cutters and nippers, really nothing fancy here. The goal here is to build a sturdy frame that can handle some heavy composting without falling apart. Now, pro tip, make it big enough so it will sit comfortably over your wheelbarrow compost bin. Originally I used staples to put it down, but looking back at it, just start off with the screws. A lot easier. If you don't have those, that might be another, $6 or something for a box of screws. Time to test it out. As you shake, move the compost over the mesh and the finer material falls through. Simple and easy. This shifted compost is perfect for cleaning up old potting soil or helping speed up the composting process all in all. It's also great for seed starters and getting clean beds ready for planting, especially if you're growing heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, squash, or root crops like carrots and potatoes. They really thrive in this rich homemade compost. You'll save a ton of money, and once you got your shifter built, check out my simple composting solution in my other videos. And hey, if you found this useful, I'd appreciate that like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay relaxed, keep on living. What we'll do is we'll take it, we'll shake it.